Solve the proportion. X plus 5 is to 3 as x minus 3 is to 4. Now we know that for proportions, their cross products are equal, so let's use that fact to write the second step of this equation. Let's multiply 4 times the quantity x plus 5 and set that equal to 3 times the quantity x minus 3. As a next step, let's distribute. Getting 4x plus 20 is equal to 3x minus 9. And as a last step, let's combine our x terms. Subtract 3x from both sides. 4x minus 3x is a 1x. And let's subtract 20 from both sides as well. Cancels off the left. Negative 9 minus 20 is a negative 29. The solution set for this proportion is the number negative 29.